Hi, this is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. Right now I'm putting together my schedule for 2019 for my FHA 203K and Fannie Mae Homestyle renovation courses. I teach at over 40 associations in the state of Florida on a volunteer basis. I've put over 7,000 realtors through my real estate class. I also teach for individual real estate companies. So if you have a class or a real estate office with 5 to 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, 100 people, it doesn't matter. I will come to your office and teach a 3-hour continuing education course for free at no charge to your company. I do this as on a volunteer basis to show agents how to sell more deals, get more listings, get more buyers, and close more deals that have difficult properties. Please contact me at 727-410-9663, or you can go to my website and email me at awood@titanhl.com. Everybody gets 3-hour CE credit for the class, and I'm glad to teach it at your office if need be, or check in with your local association and sign up for the class. My name is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. Thank you so much.